How to change profile picture on Hunting Sniper. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile or your avatar in Hunting Sniper. First of all, open your application. Now, here in the home page, here you can see the option of your profile icon. Tap on this. So this is your player profile. Now, in this left section, you can see your profile icon. Just tap on it again. So this is the place where you can change your profile. Here there are a lot of avatars available. You can select the one that you want. So I'm just selecting this one. Now just go back. So it has been updated. Again, if you go back, it has been updated in the home page also. So this is the quick and easy way how you can change your avatar or profile in Hunting. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.